Hello everyone and welcome to this new Minecraft video. In this short video I'll be showing you how to make a free server on Minecraft so you can play with your friends easily and for free. So we're gonna go to Aternos.org. I will put the link in the description, and from here on we click the play button. When we click the play, a sign up page will show up, so we'll click on the sign up. You can sign in with Google if you have your Google account. For here we can just put a example C for code, and we'll just click yes. Okay, click next. Then you put a simple password. It doesn't matter what it is. I'll just put a test password for now. Then you can put your email as well. It's optional. If you don't want to, it's fine. And then we don't want to save the passwords. Then when it opens, here it says create a server. You click create because you can have multiple servers. It says which version do you want your server to be with. We want it with Java Edition. You can change this later on, the name of the server. Then you click create. When you click create, the next thing that will show up is your, admin tab. So here you have multiple stuff. Firstly, you can click start to start your server, and if you go to options, you will have a lot of settings here. For example, how many people you want to be in the server, you can add them, you can minus them, what game mode you want, and it has a lot more stuff here. And you can change the the IP address of your server as well, but it will always have the .aternos.me at the end. So if you click here, you can see you can change this to anything. It doesn't matter, but you cannot change these will stay the same, the aternos.me, and you can just set a description that will show on the bottom. Then you just put this in your Minecraft, of course, after that you click start, and you can turn it back off and on anytime you